Yes, sir. We back with another one. Or one-stop drip shop, you heard? Unboxing in the Bando. Yeah, I already know what this is. If you're in tune, you know what this is, man. But we gonna do it anyway. You dig? See what we got here. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yeah, we got these going on, man. All right, let me get rid of that one. We ain't promoting nobody but ourselves. Y'all need some promo. We promo y'all though. Leave something in the comment. We shout y'all out. But matter of fact, I'm gonna start shouting out the comments too, man. A couple guys been asking questions and shit. We're trying to get back to y'all. But yeah, let's get into these though. Got the reflector on the tongue. You feel me? You know that's always a go. You see it blinging right now with the flash. That shit hitting. Got the yellow bottoms. Joints come stained already, you feel me? You ain't gotta worry about that. Yeah, got some tan lacings. You feel me? These ain't all the way white, they tan. You dig? Got the 23 in back. It's covered in a different material. Got the holes. You feel me? Should give your socks some love. That's how they doing that. Yeah, they go all the way through. Let's see, let me open these joints up for y'all. Shit, they mines. They ain't going back. We gonna open it up, man. See what's really going on inside. You know, I'm gonna do it for y'all, man. Just for y'all. Open these things up, see what's going on. See what we got in here, man. Bust this pack down. Yeah, it's going all the way through, gang. It's going all the way through. Got your red lacings. Let me know in the comments what color lacings y'all letting these shits fly with. Alright. You feel me? Let me know in the comments what colors y'all letting these fly with. I got a hard fit for these too, man. You know when I'm actually posting the video of my outfit next, man. You dig? I'm gonna show y'all some love. Y'all be liking how I put shit together and all that. So I'm gonna do that for y'all. But yeah, these is a go, man. The 5s is always a go. One of my first pair of mics as a kid, you dig? So let me get these in, let me get these a motherfucking 8.5 or 9. The gray ones is harder, you feel me? But yeah, appreciate y'all tapping in. One-stop drip shop, unboxing in the Bando. You dig? Appreciate the love, y'all. This one's for y'all, you dig? Let me know what y'all think about these. Let me know, let me know. Alright, stay up, y'all. We got this shit. Oh, hold on, let me do this YouTube shit. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, that's what they be saying on YouTube, right? Fuck with your nigga though.